Hey guys, George here. I'm super excited because I just received my Harley Davidson passenger footboard covers. I just got it in the mail. I ordered them like around 4 to 5 days ago. So they came relatively quick from Harley Davidson. I'm going to open up the box and we're going to see what's inside the box. So inside the box we have both pegs. We have the instructions and the nuts. Now you have the right and the left board covers, and you have the 4 screws, 2 for the right and 2 for the left. Also in here have the instructions. We're going to read the instructions, but at the same time, I think you should read it, but watch what we're going to do today. We're going to open up one of these, which are both the same exact thing. I already could feel the difference between this and a knockoff, and I've seen many knockoffs before. So this one is a little heavier. It has beautiful chrome finish on it, and it's got the one thing that I really like the most is the presentation of this, the HD, the Harley Davidson emblem with the Road King star on it. I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful piece. It's got this black right around here. So this black, what it is leather. And it just gives it such a beautiful, classy look to your bike. And it's really it's an addition to your Road King. I think is just stunning the way they put it together and it looks. Anyway, this is the top of the line. It's an $82 board. There's another one for $72, and then there's other knockoffs. But we're not going to go into the knockoff thing. We're going to stick with the HD product. Because if you're me on my Harley, I put as much HD products as I can put on there. I don't want no knockoffs on there. So we're going to go step by step on how to install this piece. And when we're done, we're going to just go over everything and hope we have a lot of fun doing it. So first things first, I'm going to go into my drill bit here and make sure it's a steel cobalt drills that you're going to use. I'm going to use a 5/32. The 5/32 will go right into my drill. And I have it here, if you notice on the drill, I have a piece of tape that I go around it. What I did was I measured the actual screw here with that, because I don't want to go past that point. If I go past that point, I'm going to go right into the rubber, and then I'm going to kind of mess the job up. So you kind of want to go into this aluminum, and it's going to go right around here. So this way, it won't penetrate the rubber. All right, so this is the drill that I have it set up for me to drill now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the cover, and then I'm going to place the cover right over here. The cover is placed right there. It's snuggled right in there. And then what I'm going to do is in here, I am going to hammer with this nail, not this nail, the and I'm going to do it on both sides, so then this way I would be able to know where to drill the holes. So here it is. I made the marking for both holes, the left and the right. I see it right there. So you got to make sure this is really aligned with one another. Once you're done with this, then it's time to drill. So now if you notice the 2 holes are there, they're aligned properly. Now we got to get the screw in here to get the grooves going. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of grease on here. And then when we're done with that, we'll go to the next step. Okay, so I greased this screw up, and I'm gonna put the screw in first to make sure the grooves are correctly. You don't have to put it all the way in, just enough to get some grooves going. So I can see right now that the grooves are nice and even with the screw. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. This is just to get it going. And now I'm gonna remove it again. So, now I got 2 screws that I'm gonna put in here. They're right on the left. I'm gonna grease this one up a little bit. Kind of wanna get that grease in there. Now, I'm gonna take the cover. We're gonna put the cover right over it. Right over it. Like right there. I'm gonna take the screws. I'm gonna put one here on this side. I'm gonna manually screw it on. And then I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, so I got both screws in. Not all the way, but I got them in there. I got the piece over here, and now I'm just going to drill it in, slowly. So this is pretty much it. Both screws are put on correctly. Nice and sturdy, it's solid. And you're done with one. Continue, do the same thing on the other side. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole enchilada. Well, I hope this was nice and easy for you. Please don't forget to like at the bottom of the screen and ride safely.